All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and the good folks over at AboveTEK decided to send me over a nice stand here. Now, this will come in handy when doing videos if you have a small area or you just have a place that doesn't have a lot of room and you want to put not hold your phone or tablet or whatever. But for me, this will come in handy when doing videos for the channel. So I could definitely use this as a car mount. Like if I want to set a different angle in the car and I want to use both of these cameras, my GoPro and this other camera, and I want to have a different spot for this camera or for a phone or something just at a different angle, that's where this will come in handy for me. Or if you're just a person who, you know, has a table or something and you need your hands free all the time, you got something in the kitchen, there's a ton of different ways to use this thing, a whole bunch. I was playing with it earlier, I guess I unscrewed it too far. So it unscrews. As you can see right here. Let me screw it back together. I was kind of messing around with it earlier, trying to figure out how to get it. So you get the stand itself. You also get a camera mount. This is another place right here where if you have a camera like my DSLR, I can mount this up and be done with it. Boom, that's gonna come in handy. Not really a fan of this white color, but it does come in black. So if you're wondering, it comes in black also. And I think the black looks a heck of a lot better, to be honest. You get some instructions here, and you also get a little Allen wrench, because you'll need to loosen and tighten this part down here. There you go. So that's how you make this part, you know, loose and tighten it up as well with the Allen wrench. I'm gonna put my DSLR on here too, just to see what's up with it. And then anything else in here? Looks like you get one more thing here. I don't know what this is. Oh, you get an extra. Oh, that's what's up. You get an extra thing on the bottom because this is the sticky kind, so it'll eventually wear out. Good thinking. Good thinking. Good thinking. That's what's up. All right, let's clear this out. So on the bottom here, it tells you how to use the little suction cup. It's not very difficult. Yeah, you just put it in there, twist it down with the part on the top right here. This loosens and tightens, and it's lock and open. So it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. Same thing you learn when you was young. Well, depending on how old you are. But it's not really sticky all the way around. The center is not sticky. The edges are sticky though. And these do wear out, man. So simple instructions. You got your Allen key. You got your mount for your camera. This is hot right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mount up my DSLR to this thing right here, and let's see how that will come out. Be right back. All right. So before I get into showing you how this is going to be with the DSLR, this is actually for tablets and phones. And this is the camera mount that you get with it. So that's a huge plus. But you can put a phone, a big phone, or a full-size iPad in here, man. So I probably wouldn't use it that way, but the way I will use it is with the camera mount, more than likely. So I'm going to demo for you like that right now. All right, so I got my DSLR mounted up on this bottom part right here to mount to here. So then what you do is you unscrew this portion right here, and this pops off, and then this goes aside, and then it's like a little locking mechanism. You just kind of make sure you got it in place, and then you twist it like this, and then you can adjust it like this. So this is really sticky. So if I wanted to shoot a video, I tighten this down. And I don't have it in the position that I'll actually be shooting a video at right now. But I just want to kind of see how strong this actually is. So it looks like you got to get it really tight in order to hold this big old DSLR. And you just twist this righty-tighty to lock it in place. And boom, it's done. Give you a little shaky cam action here. This is how it's going to be. So it actually is holding up this big, heavy DSLR at this angle. And this is a wide-angle lens on here, so I'd be able to get real close to my subjects. But let me flip this open here. Let's double this video. So let's see how much. Yeah, so if you're looking at this, I'll be able to get really close to my subject even at this angle right here, I can get my GoPro bringing it here. I could still shoot videos this close, man. And you can clearly see how it is on the video there. So this is a nice little get up here, man. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling like this is gonna be very useful to me. Now, honestly, I probably wouldn't put a DSLR up there full time. I would actually put a phone up there, so this would be my backup or something like that. But that is right on point, man. So there you have it, man. That's it. They came with it. They came with it. I'm really feeling this, man. So once again, this is AboveTEK. As you can see here, $35. Comes in 2 colors. I have a link down below. And that's the end of the video. Deuces.